the development of their NCO Corps and leadership in advancing the duties and responsibilities of non-commissioned officers across Europe. The Sergeant Morales Medallion was established in 1973 by the then USAREUR Commander, Lieutenant General George S. Blanchard, to promote the highest ideals of integrity, professionalism, and leadership for the enlisted force serving in Europe. Sergeant Morales Medallion recipients exemplify a special kind of leadership characterized by personal concern for the needs, training, development, and welfare of soldiers. The Sergeant Morales Medallion recognizes and rewards distinguished non-commissioned officers whose leadership achievements merit special recognition and who have contributed significantly to developing a professional non-commissioned officer corps and a combat-effective army. At this time, I would like to ask Lieutenant General Campbell and Command Sergeant Major Davenport to please move to the podium for the Sergeant Morales Medallion presentation. It is my honor to ask Command Sergeant Major Dominik Ban to please come forward and join the USAREUR command team up front.
Well, I just want to say that when you hear that narrative of what a Sergeant Morales Medallion member wears and what it stands for, I can't think of a better example of the first Sergeant Morales medal than Sergeant Major Ban. Sergeant Major Ban not only has focused on his country's development of non-commissioned officers, but he has truly taken a leadership role within the Adriatic Five to put them on the right path to build their NCO Corps. And personally, in the first year of doing this job as a USAREUR Sergeant Major, I can't think of a better wingman or a buddy or a confident person to offer me advice than Sergeant Major Ban. So, Sergeant Major Ban, it's my honor to nominate you to my commanding general as the first recipient of the Sergeant Morales Medallion.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise. Command Sergeant Major Ban joined the Croatian Army on September 16, 1991, at the beginning of the Croatian Homeland War for Independence. Since then, Command Sergeant Major Ban has served in every enlisted leadership position in his Army, from infantry team leader to his current position as the Croatian Land Forces Sergeant Major. For his dedication to professionalism, his leadership, and his genuine concern for the needs, development, and welfare of the soldiers of the Croatian Land Forces, Command Sergeant Major Ban is hereby awarded the Sergeant Morales Medallion, effective this 22nd day of May, 2013. Signed, Command Sergeant Major David S. Davenport Sr. and Lieutenant General Donald M. Campbell Jr.
The floor is yours. Wow.
Generals, dear friends, my colleagues, CSMs, Sergeant Major, NCOs. I don't know how to say anything after that, but I will start with, last 2 days we've been discussing, we've been working on issue how to decrease stress. And I must say, David, this performance doesn't reduce stress. My stress is pretty high now, but this is good stress, and without jokes, it's great honor for myself, but not only for myself, it's for all my soldiers and NCOs from Croatian Army, but not only from Croatian Army, it's also for Croatian Armed Forces, because all of them are hard worker to improve our NCO Corps, and not only our NCO Corps, then all other our friends, specifically in the neighborhood, but also whenever or whenever somebody needs us. It is real honor to be first one from foreigners to receive this medal, and I'm really proud. And once again, thank you a lot, sir. And this is the great sign that our commitment to build professional, well-trained NCO Corps, that this is the right way for all NCOs, not only in Europe, but in all alliance. Once again, thank you very much.